What if everything we think we know about human history is incomplete? Not just slightly wrong, but missing something massive. What if advanced civilizations existed long before us? Not thousands of years ago, but tens of thousands, or even longer. Civilizations that rose, developed knowledge, built incredible structures, and then disappeared, almost without a trace, leaving behind only fragments, clues, mysteries, evidence. Throughout history, scientists and archaeologists have uncovered discoveries that don't quite fit, artifacts that seem out of place, structures that appear too advanced, and signs that suggest something deeper, something hidden. Today, we explore evidence that we may not be the first advanced civilization on Earth. Welcome to Forgotten Earth. 1. Göbekli Tepe, built before civilization. In southeastern Turkey, archaeologists uncovered something extraordinary. Göbekli Tepe, a massive stone complex dating back over 11,000 years. That's older than agriculture, older than cities, older than what we consider civilization itself. The site contains enormous stone pillars, intricate carvings, complex layouts. This shouldn't exist. According to traditional history, humans at that time were hunter-gatherers. So how did they organize, design, and build something this advanced? And perhaps more importantly, why was it deliberately buried? Some researchers believe Göbekli Tepe could be a remnant of a lost civilization, one that existed before recorded history. 2. The Younger Dryas Mystery. Around 12 to 800 years ago, something dramatic happened. The Earth suddenly cooled. Temperatures dropped rapidly. This period is known as the Younger Dryas. Some scientists believe it may have been triggered by a catastrophic event, possibly a comet or asteroid impact. Evidence includes unusual geological layers, burned material across large areas, sudden climate change. If such an event occurred, it could have wiped out entire civilizations, erasing them from history, leaving only scattered clues behind. 3. Advanced ancient maps. Some ancient maps raise serious questions. They show coastlines with surprising accuracy, details that shouldn't have been known at the time. One example is the Piri Reis map, created in the 16th century, but believed to be based on much older sources. Some researchers claim it shows parts of Antarctica without ice. If true, this would mean the original data came from a time when Antarctica was ice-free, thousands of years ago. So where did this knowledge come from? And who created the original maps? Underwater ruins around the world, across the world, ancient structures have been found beneath the ocean, near Japan, off the coast of India, in the Caribbean. These structures include stone formations, walls, possible roads. Some researchers argue they are natural. Others believe they are man-made. If they are truly artificial, they would have been built before sea levels rose at the end of the last ice age, over 10,000 years ago. This suggests that civilizations may have existed before those floods and were lost beneath the sea. 5. Ancient precision stonework. In places like Peru and Egypt, we find stonework that is incredibly precise. Massive blocks cut and fitted together perfectly, without mortar, without gaps. Some stones weigh hundreds of tons, and yet they were moved and shaped with extreme accuracy. Even today, replicating this would be very difficult. So how did ancient builders achieve this? Were their tools more advanced than we think? Or was their knowledge greater than we realize? 6. The Sahara was once a civilization hub. Today, the Sahara is a vast desert. But thousands of years ago, it was green, filled with rivers, lakes, and wildlife. Evidence shows that humans lived there, thrived there. Rock art reveals scenes of daily life, animals that no longer exist in the region, entire communities. But when the climate changed, everything disappeared. If civilizations existed there, they may have been completely erased, leaving almost no trace. 7. Lost knowledge in ancient texts. Ancient texts from different cultures describe advanced knowledge: astronomy, mathematics, philosophy. In some cases, these texts seem far ahead of their time. Some describe cycles of destruction and rebirth, civilizations rising and falling, over and over again. Could these stories be more than myths? Could they be memories of real events? Fragments of knowledge passed down through generations? 8. The sudden rise of civilization. Around 6,000 to 10,000 years ago, civilization seems to appear suddenly. Agriculture, cities, writing, technology, all emerging relatively quickly. But why? Where did this knowledge come from? Was it developed independently or inherited from something older, something lost? Conclusion: these discoveries raise a powerful question. What if we are not the first? What if advanced civilizations existed before us and were lost, erased by time, by natural disasters, by events we don't fully understand, leaving behind only fragments, clues hidden in stone, in maps, in ancient texts, and in the earth itself? Because history is not just about what we remember. It's also about what we've forgotten. If you enjoy exploring ancient mysteries, lost civilizations, and hidden truths, subscribe to Forgotten Earth. Because the past may be far older and far more complex than we ever imagined.